Round the world, girl, I've been looking for you. I think I might just find you in Africa.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye B TV. So today I wanted to share with you guys something that I started, and it was inspired by Aaliyah Marie B, who is a UK YouTuber. So if you guys watched my last vlog, if you haven't, I started my new year this month. So beginning of October was the beginning of my new year, and I decided to just start fresh. My goals, my motivation, whatever it was that I had in mind, I started. So writing down my accomplishments, writing down what I want to accomplish in the future and whatnot. So Aaliyah had a vision book. You know how we always make vision boards and we just kind of leave them and forget about them? Well, she had the idea of creating a vision book instead, something you can have tangibly and like carry around with you, you know, just so you have, how does this, okay, here it is. Perfect and hard evidence of what you want to accomplish and being able to add to it, changing things in it. And I got really inspired by that. So I decided to create my own. So I got black book, and it's a sketchbook, and the first page in there, I'll read you guys a few things, and I'll let you guys know what I'm writing about, or what pictures I'm gonna put in there. And it says, just a regular girl who decided to go for it. And it says, this book is dedicated to my goals and dreams that will come true. In this book, I will continue to motivate and remind myself who and where I'm going to go in life. Guye, I love you and you got this. So of course I had to encourage myself, because if I don't encourage myself, who will, you know? So the first page I had there was like I started writing my 2018 memories. Why do I keep doing this? So it's yellow. I don't know if you can see it. So I decided to do like a theme for every page. So that was the first one, and then my second one is my 365-day goals. And the first one I put was just graduate with my bachelor's degree and become debt-free. That's one of my biggest goals for the next year. Like, I want to be done. I'll read you guys my 1 year goals that I have so far. And I wrote them as like, I will be, meaning it's going to happen. So I didn't just put, I want this. I'm speaking it into existence, so I will. This is 1 year goal, so don't, you know. I said I will be completely debt-free, except for my financial aid, from my, like, you know, my student loans. I will have my dream car. I will live in my dream apartment. I will become a wife, and I'm not saying become a wife in a year, but like, hopefully, I pray that I will have a healthy relationship that will lead to, you know, becoming a wife, and YouTube will be my full-time job. So that's what I have so far. I also have YouTube goals that I wrote about which brands I want to collab with, which YouTubers I want to collab with. I wrote down also life goals. These are all different pages. Life goals, I want to become a CEO of my own company. Hopefully that's many companies. I want to write a book. I want to get married to my best friend, become a mom of twins, and buy my parents a house. That's what I have so far. Like I said, this book is going to change, and I cannot wait to continue to share it with you guys. Hopefully next time I'll have more visuals and stuff in there. That way you guys can actually see some things. But I thought this was just such a good idea, because at the days where I feel unmotivated, I open this back up and I look at it, and I remember, I'm like, okay, I really want this, so I have to keep going. Or if YouTube's gonna be my full-time job, I need to get up and be consistent. So those kind of things. So that's really helped. But I just really want to share that with you guys, and I hope that's encouraging to somebody out there. I think that having a vision book, something that you can see daily, carry around in your purse, carry out in your backpack, can really help you keep on track. Because there's some days where I'm just like, I don't feel like doing homework, I don't feel like doing this, and I'm like, but these are the goals that I have. So in order to do that, I have to get out of this funk and do it, you know. But that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys start a vision book. I would encourage it. It's super cool. If you guys want to see more in depth of what my vision book will turn out to be, I'll definitely be working on it this week. So if you guys want to see more, leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will do that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.